guys, welcome back to again a next video, because this is a part 2 so of the Mi Band Smart Band 4 of the unboxing thing. So this is it, the thing that was I was just exploring. If something happened like this thing, I guess this is activity once. Woohoo! It's looking brand new. Wow. Let's see it. I'm gonna pause it. Okay, I guess. Well, you guys can see it. You can also to buy it. This actually cost me 2,000 rupees. So full 2,000. So that was the thing. I only bought like a touch screen because it was really comfortable and really smooth and stuff. So. And also, yeah, I didn't show you the more settings, no? This is what it is. Letter DND. This thing. I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna try it later on. This is the alarm. And this is the music that I already showed to you. This is the timer. This is a fine device. And of course you can actually just hear it. Okay, I'm gonna close it right now. Okay, done. This silent option, I didn't the silent bit. This is the band display. This is the sitting display. So yeah, so this was it. So yeah guys, bye. I just wanted to tell you, please like and subscribe. I will really appreciate. And also I'm just gonna tell you that Adama students, please subscribe me, or you better subscribe. I don't know what, but you should subscribe. So yeah guys, bye. Peace. Bye.